Good evening, everyone. Yes, Tamara is cooking some stew peas with some white rice, guys. Yes, that's what I'm making. Stew peas with white rice for dinner. So this is my stew peas, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. Tamara always reply, guys. Yeah. turn it down a bit. Oh. Oh. Yes, guys, this is what I learned from back home, Jamaica. Yeah. You need to find a Jamaican woman. You have to go to Jamaica. You have to go to Jamaica. There are plenty there. But you have to know the right one. You have to know the right Jamaican woman because they're a bit general. You have to find the right one. Because Jamaican woman, we are not so, some of us is good. Some of us is a bit tricky. You have to visit Jamaica. And you will find one. You can find a Jamaican lady online. They always want to travel, guys. So you can find one online. You can find one online, man. There's plenty of them want to come to travel to abroad. So you can find them. Anyone can cook. Yeah, man, you will find the one. Nowadays, these Jamaican ladies, they love fast food more than go in the kitchen and cook. Plenty of them, they love a lot of fast food places in Jamaica, so they just go and buy dinner there. Yeah, everybody wants fast. Ladies nowadays, they don't love to cook from scratch. They want everything on a fast. It's getting thick from the bottom. Yeah, I think I have to turn it down a bit. So that I have like pigtail in this one, guys, and chicken foot because I start cooking it from early because the piece is tough. So that we have to start cooking it from early. Because the peas can take up to roughly 2 hours to cook. Yeah man, Jamaican red peas, guys. I have to start cook it off camera before I come live. So it's almost finished. You guys know that I have to leave out early in the morning again. Yes, I love to cook from in the evening. Yeah. Jamaican ladies. There are plenty Jamaican ladies, man. You can go and find them. But you have to have, they love money. Jamaican ladies, they love money. They love to look nice. So make sure when you're going to Jamaica, you have a lot of cash. This one a little bit heat. Jamaican ladies. I'm gonna wash up my dishes now. Because I'm not gonna stay too long on live today, guys, because my soup is already finished cooking. Said it's just the rice. That's it. Let's see this one now. Yeah, and plenty of love. I only have money love to give. Oh. Nowadays, women want money. Money come first and then love. Yes, all over the world, guys. You have to have money first, guys, and then the love. That's all. That's all. Yeah, plenty of love. Jamaican women don't want to hear that. They want to hear cash. Yeah, all over the world. That's how the ladies are. They love money. And then love can come after. And when money run out, they are gone. It's just reality, guys. I love to talk the truth. Because I am a woman, so I can tell you how a woman thinks. Yeah. It's not only love, you have to have the dollars behind the love. You have to have dollars, man. To have dollars. Nowadays is materialistic things, material things. Yeah, material things. Love. No one is not loving anymore, guys. They want material things. Yes, they want ladies nowadays. They want self-made men, a man that have things, and they can say, yes, he's well off. I'm good. I'm gonna be good with that guy. But to start from scratch, no woman don't want to do it in 2025. No, they want man that has stuff. I'm not beating around the bush. I love to tell you guys, yeah, man. The ladies nowadays, they want man that have stuff. Yeah. Nobody's willing to build with nobody like from scratch. You have to have stuff. It's not only the ladies, the men them is like that too. Yeah. Yes, guys. It's so thick, yeah, man. This is how it must stick, guys. Yeah. Call this Jamaican stew peas. Make this one from scratch. Yeah. Should leave this on this side. Yes, this is how I love when my rice is shelly, guys. Just like this. Yeah, it must be shelly. That's why I love to put the file paper over it. Yeah, like this. So yes, guys, it's just a short live I'm doing this evening, and I'm gonna end my live now. And thanks for always supporting my channel, and have a great night, guys. A motherfucker great weekend. Bye.